And we are back with another end of day report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. All right, so let's take a look at the charts that we have for today without any further delay. All right, so the first chart we're going to take a look at, and this one comes from the trading rooms request, and it's for Caterpillar. The ticker is CAT as in cat. As you can see here, Caterpillar has broadened its horizons. It has leaped from the bearish to the bullish chart. No longer in the bear market. It's now in a bull market, but with one problem. The first problem is we have a crash alert that we had here, and the market has given us downside production. And the initial target on this is going to be the Kumo Cloud at $180 a share, but the real test is going to be the gap that you did the week of October the 27th. The market gapped up and has not back and filled that gap. All right, so it's been a minute. I think this this down leg, the market should come down and at least close the gap before we decide if it's going to hit that Kumo Cloud target. But 9 times out of 10, it's going to at least come down here and fill the gap. This should be a good test of this bull market. If the bull market is truly ready to become mature, it's going to need to back and fill, build that support out, and then rally again. So right now, the bears are in control of Caterpillar. Looks like we have a short-term top that is now in place. All right, the next request is also from the trading room, and this one is, the ticker is PXD or PDX, depending on your platform, but it's Pioneer Natural Resources. All right, so as you can see here, this one is in a bull market. See the bull, the bottom right-hand corner. And the bulls are in control. You were neutralized for about a week, almost 2 weeks, and then that has dropped off. Now the bulls are back and in control of the market, even though the market gapped down today and bounced off of the top of the Kumo Cloud. So this is an area that the bulls are going to want to defend. But there is an issue, and here's the issue right here. The issue is this bar right here from November the 21st. This is a bearish pointer that stopped short at the bottom of the Kumo Cloud. So that means that the market's probably going to come and test the bottom of the Kumo Cloud, build out this support, and then run, which means that the pointer should not be bested. We shouldn't fall below the cloud and go into free fall. It should just best it, just test it and come back out. Now, that's normal, what would happen, but we have a problem. The problem is from way back here on October the 3rd, the market has a gap up that never reconciled. This gap up is going to have to be reconciled. So I'm thinking that this down leg is going to develop further and then come down here and fill this, back and fill it, and then, build a base for the bull market to relock itself back in above the Kumo Cloud. That's what you would think would happen. But then we have another issue that we need to talk about. The other issue is that you had this crash alert here, which was the market top, and then you had one here. All right. Now, back here, we had a similar thing. We had a top here and a top here, but then the market came back. So if all things being equal, this market should come down here on this particular run and fill the gap on this security. All right, so just FYI on that one. All right, next up, we're going to look at Litecoin. This is also a request from the trading room, so let's go ahead and pull this up. So you can see here we had the crash alert coming into today, and the market gave us that downside production, and we have a bearish pointer, and we have a positive bot check, which means massive selling is coming into play. So the top of the Kumo cloud around the $60 price tag is inevitable. That is the initial downside target. Also, it corresponds with this bearish pointer right here. So yeah, Litecoin is coming down. It's on its way down. All right, the next thing I want to look at here is the Dow by way of DIA, the diamonds. And we got a bona fide crash alert for today, which means that the market is set over the next 3 to 5 days to fall all the way down here to the 315 top of the Kumo cloud, initial downside profit target. Next up, we have Chainlink or Link. And this one, unfortunately, has now moved back into the neutral category, neutral position. And this is a bearish pointer bar, but the market is neutralized yet again. All right, and let's see. Let's take a look at gold. Everything that glitters ain't gold. This is GLD, and the market is still bullish. Bulls are keeping this one going. As far as silver, by way of ticker SLV, unfortunately, we have this crash alert coming into today. We got the downside production. $18 is now in play here at the SLV. All right, let's see here. How do I get to the trading room? Okay, if you are a subscriber to the PulseWaves, if you went to pulsewavetrading.com and signed up for the daily PulseWave reports, you should have received login details and information. If you have not, I'm gonna find out with you probably had to talk to Frank or Jen so we can get you see what's going on, but you should have already got your login credentials and all that good stuff. All right, so I will find out what's going on with that. All right, let me just, while I'm thinking about it, let me make a notation to myself right now. That way I won't forget. Hold on one second. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, let's see. All right. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right, no problem, no problem. All right, let's see here. Oh, also you can go, Kareem, go to pulsewavetrading.com, and there's also a message thing in there also. All right, but I just sent the letter message to Jim, but you can also do that too. Go to pulsewavetrading.com, and you can leave a message in there also, and someone can get back to you. So whatever one they see first. All right. All right. So let's see here. Let's go to bonds, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this up. All right. So bonds by way of TLT, we had the crash alert coming into today, and we got that narrow range inside day within the cloud, and we're in the neutral position as well. So we have a neutral to bearish outlook on bonds over the next 3 to 5 days. And oh, okay, we didn't do Bitcoin and Ethereum, so let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so Bitcoin and Ethereum are still neutralized, consolidating. As you can see right here, we have a rally alert though for tonight and tomorrow's trading, but it's in the consolidation, so it may or may not do a thing. So we'll see. But we do have a rally alert in both of these. But because, like I said, the market's been so neutralized and just consolidated, this is one to watch. If we get any movement, then you may want to jump on it. But until then, it's just locked up. These markets have been moving sideways for all of 2 weeks now. All right. And other than that, folks, I know there's a lot of data coming out this week. And I think what was it, Fed minutes on Wednesday, and who knows whatever else is coming out. So I don't know. I think the markets are still trying to get themselves together and dust themselves off from the holidays and try to figure out where we go from here. I know we do have one final um, FOMC as well. I think was it December the 15th or something like that. So I think the markets are ready to and poised to move, though. I think they want to move. They're just waiting for a reason, and they'll use anything, whether it be a China story about the unrest in China due to the COVID restrictions or whatever else. I mean, they'll muster up some reason to try to justify, whatever. So with that being said, smash the like button and you know what this is. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And you know what? I can't go just yet. I missed someone. I see you there, Quando. Your patience. I totally forgot. I didn't see it. I got sidetracked. So let me go ahead and hook you up real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Let's see here. Your first one you want to take a look at is STIM. I think that's the ticker you got up here, and that is Neurotronics or something like that. All right, so this one had an initial crash alert on the 21st, and then we flip-flopped and gave a rally alert, and then you got that upside production today for a new 52-week high. So this one is trying to come out of this bear market. It really is. It's really trying to come out of the bear market. You had a nice bear market rally that started on September the 26th, and the market's been trying to get something going since then. So this one, believe it or not, it's a strong bear market rally. So if you're long this market, keep riding it as long as you can. All right, but if you are in it, you definitely want to start popping your way through it as well. All right, let's see here. Manu is the next one. Is that Manchester United? All right, so all right, this one, some breakaway gaps. Okay, so you had the rally alert on October the 25th. Then you had another alert on November the 4th and November the 17th. And then now you're getting this explosive upside production, and you got a crash alert for tomorrow. And that's because you got this gap here and this gap here. So if this thing is going to become bullish and give you a powerful bear market rally, then it should be able to survive a pullback. Now, if you're long from before this bar, you're going to want to go ahead and try to, lock in some profit on this down move. So start popping your way out of this one as well. Lock in some profit, and you can always get back in after the, after the pullback is completed. All right, let's see. COSM is Cosmos Holdings. And on this one, let's see. Okay, this one looks new. All right, so this one's flip-flopping up here too. You had a crash alert to flip-flop now to a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. And the bulls are in control. This is looking to be a nice bear market rally that's underway as well. So this one is also bull positive for tomorrow. And the last one is OTIC, and that is autonomy. I think I'm saying that right. All right, this one here has also been in a bear market, but it is absolutely stymied. This thing is hamstrung, flatlined. It is going absolutely nowhere. This is going nowhere. So until it starts to do something, this one is in the mud. That's all I can tell you about this one. It's not looking right at all. Not even a little bit. All right. So with that being said, folks, you know what this is. We're done for now. There's nothing else for me to add on these commentaries. These are pretty straightforward. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.